Hello everyone, in this video our group would like to introduce the Ambon king parrot with the Latin name Alisterus ambonensis, a beautiful bird of Maluku. We choose this bird because it is an iconic species of Maluku and has very unique colors, behavior that make it very interesting to study. This parrot has bright red feathers, green wings, and a blue tail. It's calm, gentle, and very unique. Let's learn more about its habitat, behavior, and special features.
The first, habitat and identity. The king parrot live in the tropical forests of Maluku, especially on Ambon, Seram, Haruku, and Saparua. They stay on tall trees in both lowland and mountain forests. There are several subspecies found across Maluku. They move quietly from tree to tree to look for fruit, seeds, flowers.
And the second one is physical feature. This parrot has red feather on its head and chest, green wings, and blue tail. The parrot have brighter colors than females. The size is about 35 to 45 centimeters, so it is a medium-sized parrot. Its strong curved beak is used to open hard seeds. Its beautiful colors make it one of the famous birds of Maluku.
Hello everyone, for the 4, I want to explain about the behavior of Alisterus ambonensis. The bird is monogamous, staying with one partner for a long period. It usually lives in pairs, small group, and it's quite shy, right? Often hiding in dense village. In diet includes fruits and seeds, which it cracks open with its strong beak. The bird has soft, quiet calls and help the forest grow by spreading, right? Seeds from the fruit it seeds. And the 5 is the interesting facts about the Alisterus ambonensis. So that male Ambon king parrots have brighter colors than females. This species is calm, does not fly in large flocks, and communicates through soft whistles. They also play an important role in the forest regeneration by by spreading seeds.
And the last, conservation. Even though this species is listed as least concern, its population is slowly decreasing. This is caused by hunting, illegal trade, and forest loss. Protecting forests and reducing wildlife capture are important to save this beautiful bird. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this helped us appreciate and protect Indonesian amazing wildlife, especially the Ambon king parrot.